Yes, students, today we are going to start with Unit 2, okay, Chapter 3, that is Sole Proprietorship, Joint Hindu Family Business and Cooperative Societies. See, basically, in the previous unit we have learned about the business, okay. Now, in this unit, we are going to learn what are the types of businesses, or we can say that what are the forms of businesses, right? See, here I have written first business organization. What do we mean by organization? See, organization means when two or more persons are coming together with a common goal, okay, they do have one motto, they do have one goal to achieve, okay, and for that they are working continuously. That is known as organization, okay. So that's why students, what do we mean by business organization? You know that business or organization means group of people who are working together to achieve a common goal. But whenever we are adding word business, okay, it is an organized entity. It means it will have its individual status. They know that like, why are they doing that particular activity? That will be to gain some monetary benefits out of it, right? So they are saying that it is an organized entity, okay. Here all will be bound to answerable to each other. They are going to be responsible towards their work, okay. That's why they are using word organized entity, where a group of people working towards to achieve a common goal, okay, that is known as business organization. उसे क्या कहते हैं? Business organization. Next is arrangement of ownership and management of business organization is known as forms of organization. इसका मतलब क्या है? Depending upon the ownership, depending upon how we are going to manage that business, okay, that is a combination or arrangement of ownership and management forms of business organization. See, what does it mean? If you are going to have a look around, you will find that there is one shop where owner is only one, okay, he is only doing all the work. Then if you are going in malls, you will find that different goods they are selling under one roof, okay. Their management is different, their working style will be different, right? So see, all these ways of making money or doing business comes under different forms of business organization. See, now when it comes on business organization has three categories. First one is a private undertakings, second one is a public undertakings, and third one is a joint sector undertakings. First of all, we are talking about the sectors, okay. See, private sectors or private undertakings means what? Here government interference will be very minimum or almost nil, okay, I'm sorry. So when it comes on business organization, as I told you, it has three parts. First one is a private undertakings, public undertakings and joint sector. Private undertakings means what? Here government's role will be nil or very minimum, okay. See, when it comes on private undertakings, we are having 5 heads, 5 types. First one is a sole proprietorship. Proprietorship means ownership. Here only one person is going to be the owner of the business. That person only is going to take care of all the business activities. Second one is JHF, stands for Joint Hindu Family Business, okay. So family businesses will come under this head, okay. Here also government interference will be zero. Partnership, when two or more people are coming together to do business, is known as partnership. Cooperative society, cooperate करना मतलब क्या है? To help, okay. So the business activities which we are starting to help each other, that is known as cooperative societies. And joint stock company, here group of people working towards to earn maximum profits, is known as joint stock company. All these 5 types we are going to learn in next units. So private undertakings has 5 types of businesses: sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family, partnership, cooperative society and joint stock company, okay. See, in this private undertakings, government role will be minimum or at least zero, we can say, okay. Public undertakings means what? Here government role is going to be major. Government will play key role in this. See, when it comes on public undertakings, first one they have given departmental organization. See, here you will see electricity board, water department, okay, or construction department, okay. These will fall under the departmental organization. Public corporations means what? Say we can take the example of municipality office, registration offices will come under public corporations. Then government companies means what? Here government stake in the business will be more than 50% is known as government companies, okay. So business organization, private undertakings, government role will be 0. Public undertakings, government role will be major. I won't say that 100%, but yes, it will be major in the sense more than 50% government stake is going to take, and in some cases even 100% ownership will be lying in government's pocket, okay. Joint sector undertakings means what? Here the combination of public and private is known as joint sector undertakings. Here I would like to give you the example of our aviation industry. See, if you are going to see, Air India is owned, it's a government company basically, okay. But see, all airports, okay, all airports are managed by private entities. We can say that like जैसे GVK है, they are taking care, they are maintaining airports, right. So it's a best example of joint sector where government and private sectors are coming together and they are working towards common goal, okay. So these were business in today's class we have learned what do we mean by business organization, then what is a form, what do we mean by forms of business organization, and we have taken the overview of what are the types of business organization, okay. See, in this unit we are going to concentrate on 3 concepts. First one will be sole trading concern, second one will be joint Hindu family business, and third one will be cooperative societies. Thank you.